Good morning. Welcome back to Donald's Picks here at Wildcat RV Sales in Corbin, Kentucky. Today we're going to look at this beautiful Cougar by Keystone. First thing you're going to notice is that beautiful end cap with the automotive grade 2 coats and 2 coats of clear. Also your full awnings going from one end to the other, even on the slide out. This model here has got climate guard. It's 4 seasons. It's the 32 RLI. One thing that is nice about the Cougars by Keystone, each one frame is built specific for the camper. All tinted, safety glass throughout, tandem axle, push button stabilizers, full size spare, and a ladder to climb on the roof, fully capable of withstanding adults climbing on board. Now let's take a look inside this beautiful Cougar 32 RLI. As you notice, you walk in, first thing you're going to see is an in-command control system. You can control all your components from this panel. As we walk inside, we'll notice it has a nice table and chairs, dinette, sofa with dual recliners, another sofa that also turns into a bed, nice 4K Ultra HD TV, DVD player, full fridge, 3-burner cooktop with microwave, and your oven, 21-inch, so you can actually make biscuits when you're out camping. Also this beautiful center island, dual sink, plenty of storage for pots and pans, storage for plates and canned goods. All beautiful crush-proof blinds with decorative valances and LED lights throughout. Notice the beautiful light flooring. As you walk towards the master suite, right off the bat we'll notice you got a nice dresser. This also has one of the slide outs for the bedroom, giving you plenty of space to walk around. Area for LCD TV. Nice full wardrobe closet. Pocket door to close this off for some privacy. Also nice sized bathroom with a pie-shaped shower. Locking shower door. Plenty of storage for towels and stuff. Push button, well, foot flush on the toilet. Nice size sink and vanity. If you notice too, in the shower, nice ledge to keep water from coming out. Nice skylight for some extra lighting. Extra outlets for charging razors, blow dryers, whatever you may need when you're out camping. A couple reasons to come out and see us at Wildcat RV in Corbin, Kentucky. First of all, we have the lowest prices anywhere across this great United States. Also, we have no dealer fees, ever. Whatever the price that we quote you, it's that plus tax and a tag fee. That's it. Plus, we make sure upon delivery that we do a complete walkthrough with one of our service techs to make sure you know how to operate all your systems on this camper. So please come out and see me. My name is Michael at Wildcat RVs. If you notice, we have a great selection of sunset trails. We have some Forest River Wildcats and some Cougar fifth wheels. Also our very popular retro and extreme style Wildcats by Sunset Park. And a great selection of pre-owned campers. So come out and see me. My name is Mike at Wildcat RV Sales in Corbin, Kentucky. The number is 606-215-3639. After hours, you can reach me on my cell, 606-767-1614. Thanks for watching Donald's Picks. Looking forward to seeing you. Let's get you out camping.